Hi everybody, it's Alison from Digi-teach. I've had a lot of emails and a lot of DMs asking about the 5-day Teacherpreneur Crash course. What is it? There's loads of information about it, guys, on the website, but just because I'm that kind of person, I'm going to go through the funnel really quickly with you. So this is, let's go back to the main page. So if you land on the Digi-teach main webpage, it's here. You go up to programs. These are the programs that Digi-teach has written for the online academy. So we are an online teacher trainer academy, and you want to go to Teacherpreneur's List Building Crash course. Okay, now this is a complete online 5-day crash course. Now, if you need 50 days to complete it, that's fine. You get lifetime access, okay? But it's an actual course so you can start your online tutoring business in 5 days. For real, okay? For real. No nonsense. Now, this is all you get in it. In fact, I have just gone and looked at the latest tutors and teachers that have gone onto the course, and from my end I can see what stage they're at in the course. Now, we say it's a 5-day course, but most people are needing way more than 5 days. It's packed full of information that you are going to need if you want to be starting in 5 days. But if you haven't got 5 days, or you don't want to take 5 days, guess what, guys? You get a plug-in and go website included. So not only, I'm going to go down here, not only do we show you exactly what to do from start to finish with video trainings, PDFs, everything, really simple. We also actually then give you the finished, one of the finished products, which is your plug-in and go website, tutoring website, which also has already built into it, because we've done it for you. We've already built in all of the forms, so when visitors land on your website, your lead page, they fill in the form and then they get brought directly into your communication system. They can book directly with you. They can start buying your services, whatever they are, whether you're selling tutoring, whether you're selling courses, whether you're selling lessons, whether you're selling seminars, whatever it is, it's direct. Okay, now I'm just going to go very quickly into very briefly into these things here. Now obviously you can watch this this little, we're not going to watch it now, it's 1.23 minutes, 1 minute and 23 seconds. So that just kind of explains how this course answers lots of the problems online tutors have, because what lots of online tutors do. Now don't forget, I am an online tutor and I have worked for years in online tutoring for other companies before having my own successful businesses. So I know where you're at, I know where you're coming from, and I know where you want to get to, which is Nirvana, teachers Nirvana. But I have been there, guys, so I know what I'm talking about, and I think this is why so many tutors really relate to this course and just find it a godsend. So the first one is about what you must do to get students. It is not having just a website and running an ad. There's a lot more to it. We talk about positioning, we talk about lead pages, I show you how to create lead magnets, I show you how to use graphic design, simple graphic design software, which is free, you don't have to pay for any of that. I show you how to do how to position yourself, like I said, lead pages, and how you connect all of those within your website. But actually we've already included a finished one for you, which you can customize. You know, you can change the pictures, in fact you can change everything. You can change the font, the pictures, the positioning, everything you like. The system basics, so everything that we have used and that our tutors and teachers working online use. We show you what they are, the softwares, how you use them, how to integrate them together. And this is all training, guys. There's loads and loads of video training on this, okay? So Pilot Like a Pro here is how to set up professional emails and automate them. Email marketing is very, very strong. If you're in any of the Digi-teach marketing groups for teachers, we quite often post screenshots from our own teaching businesses, as well as screenshots from other tutors and teachers that have bought this and are using this to show you how effective email marketing is. It's about building a relationship with your clients. It's really, really important. And we show you how to do that. We even provide you actually with a file of swipe files, which swipe files is all the content, all the copy needed to successfully connect with new clients. Okay, and Accelerator Express. So we also show you a little bit of Facebook magical magic. I'm not going to say any more than that. And how you can literally take your business and blast it into A-list success. It's really, really that simple, broken down, finely tuned. Okay. This is still running. Don't worry about the 000. It's because I'm looking at it from my back end. Okay, so this answers a lot of questions, and it solves a lot of problems that people have and tutors have when they want to work for themselves. This is about creating your own online tutoring business. Okay, this isn't a business for working with a platform. Okay, this is about having your own private clients that you teach online. Okay, and I'm just going to show you guys, this whole course would have been £824. Okay, now we're in COVID, we get that, but also we have seen within our industry so many of our fellow professional teachers being knocked right back with this COVID, not being able to get work, being told that they need to accept like $2 an hour from platforms and all this nonsense because of COVID. And you know, that's just not cool, you know. So we have done what we can do. We've taken everything off. It's literally £99. We can't do it any cheaper than that, but we've taken off £725. Okay, so that is what we have taken off, and I just hope, here it is here, look, £99. You don't pay any more. It's all in, that's it, one time. There's no subscriptions. It's £99. You get all of that. And the other thing you do get is you get a 24-hour help desk. Okay, so if you have any issues, you raise a ticket like you would do on any other product that you buy online, and we have a small team that work through that can help you, that can send more video training if there's something you don't understand, that can do one-to-one Zoom tutorials with you if there's something you don't understand. But we have made this super easy. Because we want teachers to be able to be up and running in 5 days. Okay, so we have made it as easy and as simple as it could possibly be. But failing that, if there's something that you struggle with, then that is not a problem. But this at £99, I mean, we're not going to keep it there forever, obviously. But we want to see as many teachers rise up from the situation, build their businesses, and come what may, they will always have an online tutoring business to fall back on or to build and grow from the point that you are at now. So there you go. I hope that answers lots of questions, and there you go. And we also have other ones I will show you really quickly. We do have other ones. The social touch, we are just re-editing because we've added some special TikTok training into that. So obviously myself, Alison McRobbie, I am literally going to go deep dive into many social media strategies. Many of you know me, know that I have successfully grown lots of educational businesses and on repeat grown Facebook pages, business pages for tutoring to 10 and 12k in 60 days, and then converted those people into being paying students or clients, because you know I don't like to call them students, clients into my educational businesses, whatever they are. So that's hopefully going to be something that some of you may be very interested in. Again, at Digi-teach Online, we are a community within the educational industry for mostly freelance teachers. We want to help freelance teachers really get ahead of the game and get paid their true worth and have really what they should have from the start. Speak to you soon, guys. Thank you and goodbye.